How is this premium luxury box crafted using our advanced machinery? First, we use our motorized servo cardboard grooving machine to process the cover of the book-style box. It ensures high-precision grooving lines for a sharp, flawless fold. Next, we easily configure the manufacturing parameters directly on the intuitive touchscreen display. Using the same motorized servo grooving machine, we groove the main box board. Look at this immaculate grooving effect! Then, the machine's built-in corner cutting tool automatically trims all four corners of the box seamlessly. Next, our semi-automatic circular hole punching machine punches two customized holes with fully adjustable diameter and depth, plus an eco-friendly dust collection system. For magnet assembly, the semi-automatic pasting machine automatically picks up the magnet, applies glue via the roller, and presses it firmly into the hole. Watch our latest four-corner box taping machine. Simply align the corner with the tool, and the tape automatically secures it to form the box structure. Introducing our state-of-the-art intelligent gluing machine. It features viscosity control, a clean glue tank, zero misting, scheduled preheating, and hassle-free automatic cleanup. Next up is our pneumatic single-side edge wrapping machine. It automatically presses and wraps all four edges of the box hardcover perfectly. Now, let's look at how we wrap the glued cover paper onto the formed cardboard box. Simply align the box onto the glued paper and place it onto the 50 cm conveyor belt. The machine automatically handles the rest. With digital adjustments, changing box sizes takes just 5 minutes. It's incredibly safe and easy, even for zero-experience operators. Finally, the box thumb notch cutting machine precisely cuts out clean thumb notches for effortless opening. And there you have it, a flawless, beautifully finished luxury box, ready for premium packaging.